Hello dear investors in Crypto Vault. Today we will talk about Polkadot. Polkadot price prediction May 2022. The ongoing cost of Polkadot on 22nd May 2022, 9:30 am ist, sort of is INR 810.49, with a difference in plus 1.77% in the kind of most recent 24 hours. Polkadot cost gauge for 23rd May 2022 will be between INR 746.28 and INR 858.34. Has been doing modestly well, regardless of the new crypto crash in an unpretentious manner. As per examiners, Polkadot cost investigation shows a bullish pattern, but the bulls appear to lose ground for the most part. To use the ongoing force the crypto need to push over the $10.08 mark. What by and large is Polkadot? Named the Ethereum killer, Polkadot truly has been created in 2017 as a response to dispersed blockchains and conventions in the crypto space, which is genuinely huge. Polkadot is focusing on addressing two of the most relevant issues tormenting kind of present-day blockchains: interoperability and scalability. What this basically implies is that with the Polkadot convention, one would be effectively ready to hop among blockchains and execute their preferred badge without making actually various profiles and wallets in a significant manner. Polkadot can truly speak with BTC and ETH with the assistance of bridges. Web3 Foundation in every practical sense has hailed Polkadot as the cutting-edge blockchain, which is genuinely huge. The Swiss establishment is associated with the advancement of Polkadot as well as Kusama among numerous others. What essentially makes Polkadot more remarkable than the second most well-known crypto Ethereum is that it fundamentally has outfitted sharding, or so they thought. Peruse more about sharding here. Polkadot's token is called DOT. SPEC has been in truly consistent stock since its end-off, dissimilar to a restricted stockpile run of well-known coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like all cryptographic forms of money, Polkadot is additionally a lot of in a formative stage. In fact, talking the Polkadot in every way that really matters has the most capability of all altcoins, which generally is genuinely huge. Who made Polkadot in a significant manner? Polkadot explicitly was established by Dr. Gavin James Wood, who is additionally the co-pioneer and sort of previous CTO of Ethereum, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dr. Gavin needs to change Polkadot into a multi-chain stalwart that would empower web applications and monetary frameworks and administrations to run and truly associate flawlessly, which generally is very critical. Gavin imagines Polkadot as the principal framework representing things to come. Web3. Gavin, in every way that really matters, is a graduate of University of York with Masters of Engineering in Computer Science and Software Engineering. Prior to creating Ethereum, close by 8 different engineers including Vitalik Buterin, he invested some energy as an examination researcher at Microsoft in a significant manner. He compassed the yellow paper graphing Ethereum virtual machine. He additionally proposed and generally added to the advancement of Solidity, a programming language that empowers smart contracts. Right now, Parity Technologies, ChainSafe Systems and Soramitsu generally are engaged with the improvement of Polkadot, with awards from the Swiss Web3 establishment, which essentially is genuinely critical. How accomplishes Polkadot work? Incredibly. Polkadot depends on an essential blockchain called transfer chain that cooperates with client-created equal chains called the parachains. Handoff chain is the core of Polkadot. Handoff chain has insignificant usefulness and is simply empowered to help pretty broad frameworks. It works with cross-chain interoperability. It additionally in a real sense is major to Polkadot's common security. Then again, parachains permit devs to explicitly send free organizations inside a similar system and can savor having their own token as well. How cool is that? As an agreement component, Polkadot utilizes NPOS or nominated proof of stake. This component works when a Polkadot hub fulfills the accompanying jobs. Nominators helps pick validators by marking DOTs with choicest validator and gain new prize tokens. Validators helps in the approval of proofs transferred by collators, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Collators, they support the parachains by gathering exchanges by clients. Anglers, they are more similar to mess with trackers. They check awful way of behaving across the Polkadot organization, which is genuinely critical. With the guide of bridges, the Polkadot convention can explicitly speak with BTC and ETH. How to utilize Polkadot. First of all, you can purchase .certainly token from crypto trades like Binance or Coinbase as well. These trades will really empower you to open a wallet with them. When your record in a real sense is set up, you can purchase as sort of many dots by means of wire move. Viola. It's that basic, or so they thought. What's more, you don't need to basically be a crypto digger to mint your preferred coin, which is very critical. Polkadot can commonly be utilized for installment of labor and products any place the crypto is authorized, or so they essentially thought. Anyway, basically is genuinely something beyond that, which is very huge. At Polkadot, a DOT serves 3 center capacities: 1. Governance, 2. Staking and 3. Auctioning. This empowers a DOT's holder to especially participate in Polkadot's administration by means of an option to cast a ballot with a popularity-based body. Top stages and applications in India to exchange Polkadot, which is very huge. Why is cryptocurrencies so special? Cryptos explicitly are worldwide, exceptionally secure, kind of private and irreversible. Around 20 million Indians as of now hold digital money. 60% of the absolute crypto financial backers sort of are between 18 to 34-year-old. India especially is likewise the second and quickest reception of cryptos, followed by Vietnam. Albeit the Indian government basically has presented 30% expenses on all types of DAOs. Fundamentally, virtual digital assets, cryptos actually doesn't have a lawful status in that frame of mind in a significant way. Anyway, with developing agreement and further corrections, advanced monetary standards will turn into a standard. On the off chance that you certainly are looking to explicitly make an interest in cryptos, the most effective way is through a crypto exchange. Here are a portion of the really top crypto trades accessible in India. 1. Binance 2, which is very huge. Coinbase 3. Wazirx 4. Coinx 5. Unocoin 6. ZebPay 7. CoinSwitch Kuber 8 in a significant manner. OKEX 9, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin 10. Bitcoins. According to in a real sense the most recent kind of long-haul gauge, Polkadot cost will hit $20 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $25 by the center of 2024, which is genuinely huge. Polkadot will ascend to $50 inside the extended period of 2027. Polkadot price prediction 2022 to 2023. Polkadot cost, all things considered, began in 2022 at $27.26. Today, Polkadot exchanged at $10.08, so the cost diminished by 63% from the start of the year. The estimated Polkadot cost toward the finish of 2022 is $17.10, and the year-to-year change 37% in a significant manner. The ascent from today to year-end. Plus 70%. In 2022, we hope to see $15.45 per 1 Polkadot in a significant manner. In the primary portion of 2023, the Polkadot cost will generally move to $19.24. In the last part, the cost would in every way that really